everyone, let's quickly talk about multimedia and ICT. And how does it make our life in the 21st century much easier and more exciting? First, learning has become fun and interactive with videos, apps, and online classes. Students can explore subjects anytime, anywhere. It's learning made simple. Multimedia also spark creativity from making digital art to editing videos. Technology make it easy to share your ideas with the world. ICT saves time. Think about online shopping, banking, or even controlling gadgets at home. It's all about making life more convenient. So multimedia and ICT help us learn, connect, and live better. Let's use them wisely and enjoy the benefits they bring. What's your favorite of use of ICT? Comment below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.